I'm charging up my hyperdrive! Oh, God, no!
I am going to slap you. The slapping will begin in 2 seconds. Go!
The laughter never ends. Except for now.
Yeah, I don't find this to be funny either, despite the fact I'm missing my drawbar and some of my wires have snapped. I still run, but I'm under the risk of gonna die out soon because someone doesn't know how to treat their model trains correctly!
What do I care about overpriced models? I love destruction! Just watch this!
You are a whole herd of ugly.
Killing you is full-time job now.
Oh, hello there, Shrek.
Cheers, mate!
Meow meow.
Okay, on second thought, I think I'll call someone from New York Central to do my work while I'm being replaced.
Why? Why would you do that?